Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your messages on StockX. So no matter where you are on the pages in StockX, you can quickly check your messages by look for the bell on the upper right. Once you click on that, you will be able to see your messages. So these are my current messages, as you can see, and you can click and you can open them and you can read what these messages are. So you'll be able to see what it is, what it is showing, and so forth. So whatever message or notification you get, you will be able to find them here and you'll be able to basically, check it. Right. So alternatively, other messages that you will receive on StockX would be if you have, for example, your notifications on. Let me go ahead and go to the settings here. And if you scroll down, there is also going to be the section for email notifications, right? So if you have these turned on, then you will receive emails in your mailbox, whether that's going to be in your direct inbox or it's going to be in your spam or your advertising section. So let me show you, for example, if I open up the inbox here, let's go to Gmail, then you would possibly find emails showing up in your main inbox like this, or you would find them under promotions. You will find them most likely under promotions or updates, right? So this is where you could easily find. So some updates will show here, as you can see, when you make changes and all those stuff, or if you receive promotions, they will show up under this section as well. So just check out these different areas for those emails, but this is how you will be able to find those in your inbox. So these are the ways that you can quickly find your messages, guys, on StockX. Very easy and very simple.